In this video, I'm going to go over everything you receive with your WLIVE Dresser and a quick walkthrough in the assembly process so you know what to expect when your product arrives. There really isn't many pieces to it. The only tools you need are a screwdriver and Allen wrench, and they supply you with those so you don't need any of your own. But the first step is getting the pillars of the frame assembled, and this is just putting screws into place. Everything is labeled very clearly, so if you can screw in screws, you can get this job done pretty quick. Once you do that, you can move on to assembling the whole frame, which is just connecting the pillars that you already made onto that top piece of wood. And just like that, the whole frame is complete. Overall, this process took me about 30 to 40 minutes to do. It was very simple. And now for the final step, which is just putting in the drawers. They're very simple. They come folded up, so you just need to expand them and screw in the handles, and they're good to go. They slide in really easily and smoothly. Overall, I was able to get this assembled in about an hour, maybe less. I did it by myself, but I'm a huge fan of this dresser. I like the side panels, and I like that the handles on it are actually metal. I've done a few of these, and the other ones were plastic. So that metal look with the side panels, and the front of the drawers is like kind of a leather type material as well. It gives it a real high-end look, so I'm a huge fan of that. Overall, it was exactly what I wanted. It was affordable, simple to put together. I think it looks great. This gets 2 thumbs up from me.